Now we are going to learn about carp kites. In your lesson with Sarah, you learned how important fish are to the Japanese diet. While they're also really important to Japanese culture. Culture is the arts, customs, or achievements of a particular group or nation, in this case, Japan. A carp is a type of fish that you may have seen here in the United States. A carp is seen as a symbol of strength because they can swim against the current. On an upcoming holiday in May called Children's Day, carp banners are hung outside of Japanese homes to remind children to overcome difficulties, become successful, and be strong just like the carp. As you can see, carp kites are really colorful. They have scaly bodies, big, round, open fish mouths, pointy fins, and long streamer tails. Now let's create fins. What are different ways to make sharp, pointy fin shapes on either side of your body? Try with your arms. Are they symmetrical, meaning the same on both sides? Or are they asymmetrical? Let's try one arm as a fin and one foot. Switch. Now, how would your fish shape react if the wind was rippling through it? Ooh, it's hard to balance on one leg.
The canopy layer is the primary or main layer of the rainforest. It is a roof over the other layers. The canopy layer is home to 90% of the animals in the Amazon rainforest. Some of the animals that inhabit or live in the canopy layer are snakes, toucans, and tree frogs. Since the canopy layer is like a giant maze of leaves, we're going to move on different maze-like pathways. First, let's move like a snake on an S curvy pathway. So let's begin slithering on our S pathway like a snake. Very good. The next animal in the canopy layer that we're going to look at is a toucan. Toucans fly through the canopy layer looking for a hole that was made by either a woodpecker or another animal. The toucans go in that hole to make their nest. Let's fly like a toucan in a zigzag pathway. Over and under the trees and around the tree, back around the tree, under on our zigzag pathway, over. The trees in the Amazon can be up to 213 feet high. So we really have to zigzag around to find the hole to make our nest. I spotted one. Do you see a hole you can climb into? Let's bring ourselves into a small shape inside our hole in the tree to make our toucan nest. Very good. Our third animal that we'll look at in the canopy layer is a tree frog. They have very sticky fingertips and toe tips for superior grasping ability. So let's make a tree frog shape, tiny, and let's jump in a circular pathway, sticking to things along the way. Those sticky tree frogs reminded me of the octopus tentacles sticking that we did with Aaron in our Japan review video. It's so interesting to me how animals in these different habitats or locations can have unique similarities and differences.